All right, the next little tool here we have is a general compensation agreement. This is a form that you can give to any potential contacts that kind of just outlines what you have in mind for compensation for them. For instance, for a postman, you take their contact name, their number, you put it on the form. Your contact information is also on the form, and you just write in there whatever you have agreed upon for compensation. If it's 20 cents a lead, if it's $2 a lead, if it's $20 a lead, that's what you would have on there for the postman. And it kind of gives them, it's two purposes. One is it kind of gives them something to look at that is a reminder of you and the conversation that you had and what you're looking for, and that you intend to pay them for any business that results from their leads. And, number two is that, it has your contact information on there if they need to get back in touch with you, and it also gives them the way, to send those leads to you via, call or text or email or just whatever you decide. So it's just a good kind of multi-use form. It's nothing legal. It's just kind of something to have between you and your network contact that's kind of a reminder as far as, how you agree to compensate them, and just kind of general contact information. It's a simple, powerful tool because it again, it's just something to look at, and it's a reminder. For instance, again, going back to the postman, they might be driving around, but if they have this form sitting there on their dash, and they see this house that they usually just cram more mail in the mailbox that's already overstuffed, they might not think anything about it. But if they see this form and it's just a constant reminder of you and your interest in these vacant houses, they're going to remember, and they're going to get those leads coming over to you. So just kind of a good multi-use form. That's the general compensation agreement. I have a couple copies attached there. I have one is an ODT file, which is an open office file, or Word. That's one that's editable. There's also a PDF there, and then I also have one attached that's just a pre-filled example. So those resources are there for you to view and download and use. All right, moving on.